This is Dario Roberts, CEO, and today we are talking about sorts or types of cryptocurrency. You don't want to miss this. Before we begin, VirSymPay is a merchant processing platform similar to Stripe and PayPal. Another sponsor is Virsymcoin, the premier cryptocurrency exchange. So if you're looking to purchase Bitcoin or other cryptocurrencies like the VirSymCoin, it's your place. I'll post a link to the website below. And finally, for all of those comic and manga lovers, Damein Angelic is your manga. Seriously, it is good. Join Jahara on his quest to unravel the mysteries of the Negus Shard. I'll post a link to the website below. And without further ado, let's begin. Types of cryptocurrency. Bitcoin is the most well-known and important cryptonic money. I mean, seriously, everyone knows about Bitcoin, I think. An unknown individual called Satoshi Nakamoto, I hope I said his name right. Well, he created it and he acquainted it with the world through a white paper in 2008. There are many great digital currencies present in the market today, however. Every cryptonic money professes to have an alternative capacity and determination. Like, for example, Ethereum's Ether markets itself as gas for the hidden brilliant agreement stage. Wave's XRP is utilized by banks to work with moves between various genealogies. However, Bitcoin, which was made accessible to people in general in 2009, stays the most broadly exchanged and covered digital currency. As a matter of fact, as of November 2021, there are over 18.8 million Bitcoin available for use, with a complete market cap of around 1.2 trillion.
Whoa, and that's a fact.
Just 21 million Bitcoins will ever exist. Also, following Bitcoin's prosperity, numerous other digital currencies known as altcoins have been set off. A portion of these are clones or forks of the Bitcoin, while others are new monetary forms that were worked without any preparation. They incorporate Solana, Litecoin, Ethereum, Cardano, and EOS. Seriously, by November 2021, the total worth of all the digital currencies in presence had reached more than 2.1 trillion. And guess what? Bitcoin addressed around 41%, yes, 41% of that complete value. Are cryptos legal? Government-issued types of money determine their power as modes of exchange from public authority or financial specialist. For example, every dollar greenback is backstopped by the Federal Reserve. Yet digital forms of money are not supported by any open or private elements. Accordingly, presenting a defense for their lawful status in various monetary purviews all through the world has been very troublesome. It doesn't prove the situation that cryptonic forms of money have generally been worked external most existing monetary frameworks, but the legitimate status of digital forms of money has suggestions for their utilization in day-to-day exchanges and exchanging. In June 2009, the Financial Action Task Force, FATF, suggested that wire moves of cryptonic forms of money ought to be dependent upon the prerequisites of its travel rule, which require AML compliance, anti-money laundering, for those that don't know what AML is. And so, adding on to that,
as of December 2021, El Salvador was the main country on the planet to permit Bitcoin as a lawful dedicate for financial exchanges. And that's a fancy way of saying you can use Bitcoin in El Salvador like you can use regular cash. Cha-ching ching. In the remainder of the world, digital money guidelines, they fluctuate by purview. Japan's Payment Services Act categorizes Bitcoin as lawful property. Cryptocurrency trades working in that nation are liable to gather data about the client and information in connection with that particular move. And so in a nutshell, it means that we're required to gather the KYC. Know your customer. And also, China has restricted cryptonic money trades and mining inside its boundaries. India was accounted for to form a system for digital currencies back in December of 2021. Having said that, digital currencies are lawful in the European Union. Subsidiaries and different items that utilize digital forms of money should qualify as monetary instruments. In June 2021, the European Commission delivered the Markets in Crypto Assets (MIC) guidelines and lays out rules for organizations or merchants offering monetary types of assistance utilizing cryptocurrencies. And also, within the United States, the greatest and most complex monetary market on the planet, crypto subordinates, for example, Bitcoins, are accessible on the Chicago Exchange. The Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, has said that Bitcoin and Ethereum are not securities. Well, thanks a lot, because had it been securities, more than likely we wouldn't be able to purchase them. Bitcoin and Ethereum are not securities or security-based. Bitcoin and Ethereum are utility-based, which is a big difference. In spite of the fact that digital currencies are viewed as a type of cash, the Internal Revenue Service, IRS, regards them as a monetary resource or property. That's a fancy way of saying, everyone, they see it as money. What's more, likewise, with most different ventures, on the off chance that you harvest capital increases in selling or exchanging digital forms of money, the public authority needs a piece of the benefits. And that's a fancy way of saying, if you made money buying, selling, trading, the IRS wants their money. That's all that means. On May the 20th, 2021, the U.S. Division of the Treasury declared a suggestion that would expect citizens to report any digital currency exchange of more than, get this, $10,000 USD to IRS. How precisely the IRS would burden continues as capital additions or customary pay relies upon how long the citizen has held the cryptocurrency. And so pretty much you're going to be paying based on the length of time, the amount, and how valuable that cryptocurrency is. And so in short, cryptocurrencies are not really regulated as other monetary forms are. And so it's really a task by the IRS to be able to monitor these things and to ensure individuals would pay. And if you caught the previous video, you would know that cryptocurrencies are famous for being able to hide funds, be able to hide monies. I'll post a link to that website below in the description, the first video, so that you can see what we're referring to in terms of people being able to elude when it comes to cryptocurrencies. So this is Dario Roberts, CEO, with the final farewell. Yeah. If you like today's content, don't forget, give us a like and also smash the subscribe button. It gives updates to you whenever we release new content. We'll see you soon.